In this video, I am going to teach you how to connect Apify to make.com. In order to connect those two together, first things first, make sure that you already have an account on make.com. Head over to make.com and click onto this Get Started Free option. And then from in there, you'll be prompted to register for an account. You can either register through your Google, Facebook, GitHub, or also input your details just like this. In this case, I'll just head over and then sign up using Google. In this case, they will ask you for which popular apps are you planning to use for your automations. In this case, you can just choose which one you actually want added. And on this case, we can choose a lot of things that you want for this as well. Now, into this case, if you can see that Apify is not added, so you can just type in here the app that you're planning to use as well. Click on continue, and don't worry because this is just a survey part. Click onto this get started option right here once you're done with this part, and then this will start building or creating your organization and account. Now, once you have done this, it should be able to load in here your organization. So the next thing that we need to do is we just need to head over and add in here the integration for this part. You can see in here this. So what we can do is we can head over and click onto this more page right here. Click onto this connections option, and then from in there this should be able to load all of the connections that we have. So what we can do is we can click onto this open scenario builder, and let's add in here a connect. In this case, we need to add Apify. Into this, you can see that we will be prompted to add in here our applications. So for example, I can search in here for Apify, and you can see it like this. Click onto this Apify option and then choose in here the action that you want to use for your Apify. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.